Avada. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Avada website builder for WordPress and WooCommerce product review. Avada WooCommerce product, the Avada Mega Menu Builder, the Avada Role Manager, the Avada Setup Widgets, new Avada Studio Styling option, Up Canvas Builder, high performance WordPress hosting, one-click Avada installation, make the Avada Studio, performance wizard, Avada the fold optimization, the Avada WooCommerce builder, the postcard layout, 8,75,000 Avada website builder, 100% mobile friendly, footer, postcard layout, shop pages, cart pages, checkout pages, product pages, form builder, 120 designs and layout elements, upload your own custom icon, Avada dynamic content option, 90 pre-built website, unlimited flexibility, 24K average 5-star review, passionate individual support Avada. We take pride to knowing that what we do will have a positive impact on you. Comprehensive document, extensive video tutorial library, design integration with the most popular plugin. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video's description.